Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how even you can listen to background sounds in iOS 15. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. In order to enable the background sound that's worth listening to, first of all you need to make sure that your device is running on iOS 15. And that's because this feature is exclusively available with iOS 15. So in order to enable it, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Accessibility. From there, scroll down until you see the option that says Audio Visual. Click it and tap Background Sounds. Once enabled, click on Sound, and here you will see the list of 4 to 5 sounds from which you can choose. But one thing to note is that whichever sound you wish to go with or listen to needs to be downloaded first. And just after the selected sound is downloaded, just increase the volume of iPhone, and that's because the selected audio has already started playing in the background. A quick tip from my side would be connecting your AirPods while listening to this background sounds will enhance the experience, as these background sounds helps one focus better. So to start hearing the background sounds right from the home screen of your iPhone, just bring down the control center. From here, press the ear icon present over there. And lastly, just click on the background sounds to turn it on or off. That's it. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.